Just stayed at the edge. Have we really been doing what they said? Ignoring them, not being team players?
No! I mean, I haven't been ignoring Snotlout more than I usually do.
I just want to make sure. That's the one thing I really don't want to do. But at the same time, spending time with you is important. What was that for?
Just for being you. I love how sensitive you are.
Don't tell that to Stoic.
Oh, I think he knows. Everyone knows. It's what makes you such a great friend. A great leader. And, a great boyfriend. But if you want to head back...
No. I mean, they're fine. Just think about all the trouble they can get into without us being there.